Hello everyone, my name is Krish and today I'm gonna teach you how to grab a text within a string. For explaining the concept, I made a few examples here. In all 3-4 examples, you can see there is a person name with a date. What I want from this to grab only the person name from the whole string. So how we will do it? I will use 3 functions, mid, len, and find function. So we can type equal. First of all, we will use the mid functions, typing m, I, and d. We can hit the tab key. The bracket will open. You can see there are 3 parameters popping up: text, start number, and number characters. The first parameter is asking for in which text you are looking for the mid function. I'm looking for here. I want to use the mid function in this text, in this string. So I will select the cell here. And then I will type a comma here. The next parameter is asking for what is the number starting of the characters. So what I want to do is, based on this space between date and the name, I will find the space in this string. To do that, I can use the find function. So I will type F, I, N, and D. That's a find function, and hit the tab key. And this find function, what we are looking for exactly, the space, the first space between the date and the name. So I will type space here in quotation mark, space, and quotation mark closed. And then the next parameter for find function is asking for in which text you are looking for. So I will type comma, and then I'm looking for the space in this text. So I will select this text, and then I will close the bracket of find function. And now the mid function's next parameter is asking for up to how many characters you are looking for the text. So first I will type comma here, and then for knowing the whole parameters, the whole number of characters, how many number of characters are in this cell, I will use the len function, that is L-E-N, and then hit the tab key. The len function actually used for defining how many characters are there in a string. And now there is only one parameter is asking for, the text. Of which text we are looking for the length. Again, we are looking for here. So I will select this cell. And I will close the bracket. And one more bracket I want to close for the mid function. And then hit the enter key. We got the name which we are looking for. That is Peter and Parker without the date. And I will drag it down to see the other values. So we got all the names of all the examples without the date. This is what we are looking for. So guys, you can use the mid function, find a length in this case, and you can get what you want. Thank you guys for watching this video.